Hello, it's me once again. I know, my face just looks great on a phone screen, on this little tiny phone screen. So, in this session, we're going to talk a little bit about the fabric of the cosmos, episode 1. What is space? Space is one of the deepest mysteries in physics. It's even a mystery to me. I'm no physicist, and yeah, space is definitely a mystery. Perhaps the most mysterious thing about space, as Brian Greene alludes to, is dark matter. Dark matter, what is dark matter? That's something I wish I could answer. And I have a lot of physicists I'm sure would love to be able to answer that. But it was said, as Brian talked a little bit about that if we were to take away all the stars, the moon, and so on, we would see a soft glow. Well, what kind of glow? Is it orange, blue, green? That would be an interesting thing, but the thing to consider is why the change of color? What would make the dark energy go away? That perhaps is one of the greatest mysteries of space. He also spoke of gravity. Gravity attracting two objects together. So you take two objects, kind of like this. Here's object number 1, object number 2. You know, with a gravitational pull, they're brought together sort of like a magnet. Now, in theory, it makes sense, but I don't really see how it really brings two objects together too well, other than gravity just has a pull. And I'm sure every person who's fell down and scraped their knee or biffed it while skiing probably found out what that gravitational pull is like, and two objects are attracted together. But I really don't think a human hitting a tree is meant to have, I don't think they're attracted to each other. Man hits a tree, man scrapes his face, breaks a few bones. Not very attractive. And then one of the other things he talked about was black holes. So black holes take objects that reach a black hole. Black holes are definitely a mystery, but something I would love to know more about. If I was a physicist, I'd be studying them profusely, but I'm not really a physicist. But they are still fascinating. When an object comes into the event horizon, into a black hole, because there's a gravitational pull within a black hole, and that gravitational pull is so intense that it comes from all sides. I mean, it literally looks like a hole, but it's not. If I were asked to describe it, I'd say it looks like this dark, mysterious planet that just spins at a rapid rate. And then just pretty much obliterates anything that comes into its path. It was described to me once where an object that came into the black hole it'd be stretched, literally stretched and skewed to where it becomes just matter. It's not that it doesn't exist, it's just stretched so much that it becomes matter, it becomes part of the black hole. It's still there. If it's intelligence, the intelligence is probably still there, it's just matter. Black holes are indeed a mystery. Maybe one day they'll make themselves known more clearly. But as far as this episode, that is the content for The Fabric of the Cosmos, Part 1. Thanks for watching.